All right, Joy Sports Cards here. We are doing another Prizm basketball break here, guys. 3-box Prizm basketball break, PYT number 4. How it's going to go tonight is after this, we're going to do the mixer and select Euros after that. Get that Prizm EPL in as well. Tomorrow we'll be posting up two more boxes, two more breaks of this. So these are starting from a fresh case. Good luck, good luck. All cards do ship. Alright, good luck. John Morant, silver. Kawhi Leonard. Jokic. Trey Jones. Zion. How about that for the Kings to start? Ruby Wave. Very nice. Halliburton. DPZ. Ilya Silva. Little James Harden for the Rockets, throwback. Grant Riller, Nick Richards, Luka. Dirk Nowitzki. Dallas Mavericks, number to 299. And Thon Maker for the Pistons. Pistons going to red and gold. Najee, Woodard, silver Michael Porter, Terrence Davis, Bradley Beal, Vazell for the Spurs, Avija for the Wizards. That's going to Matt. Terrence Davis and Blue Ice, DeAndre Jordan. 105 of 125. Nice little Obi for the Knicks. Precious for the Heat. Xavier Tillman for the Grizzlies. Silver. Kuzma. Giannis. Kenyon Martin. Second half here. Marvin Bagley, Giannis, Fearless, Damian Lillard for the Blazers, Mannion, Winston, Pascal, Dwight Powell, Russell Westbrook, Latoro. Got a blue coming up. Anthony Davis blue for the Lakers. That is 189 of 199. And for the Suns, Jalen Smith. Suns is Greg. Pukaveski for the Thunder. Brooke Lopez, Josh Okogie, Lillard, Vernon Carey, Cole Anthony. John Collins and Purple Ice, Joe Harris for the Nets. 141 of 175. Nice little quickly. Stewart. Kevin Love, silver, and Aaron Gordon for the Magic, purple to 99. Larry Bird, Naismith, 10 off the box, number 1. Box number 2 here, guys. Terry, Vukovic, silver, and Shea Gilgeous, Wave, Thunder, Jaw. Nice little mellow for the Hornets. Hornets in this one were Stone, Kevin Love, and wow, how about a red Anthony Edwards? That is sick. Hans. That is gross. What a case. Paul George. Ramsey. Right off the top, we'll get a little silver maxi for the Sixers. That's going to Stone. Kemba. Lillard. McDaniels. Horford, Bird, nice little Halliburton to go with a little Ruby, Maxi Kleba, and Patty Mills, Ruby, Simmons, Josh Green, Patrick Williams, Blue Ice, Mike Conley, 63 of 125. And nice little Jason Tatum. Celtics, Giancarlo. Pukaveski, Silver Gordon, Anthony Simons, Mitchell, little Avija, I think there's a second Avija, Jared Allen, Frank Korkmaz for the Sixers, number to 299. John Morant and little Okoro for the Cavs. Silver. That's going to Greg. Wiggins, Steph Marbury, Theo Maledon, Zion, Silver Seth Curry, Marcus Saul, Iverson, Luka, Cassius Winston, Anthony Simon, Blue Drummond, 166 of 199, Steph Curry, Toro, Mannion, Nick Richards for the Hornets, strong Hornet, 175, and Isaac Okoro on the rookie auto for the Cavs. Case overall has been really nice. All right, last box. Good luck, everybody. Morris, Trey Young, Kongu, Sadiq Bey, Okoro, George Hill, Okongwu for the Hawks on a hyper, Kyrie, RJ, Brooke Lopez on an ice, number 2, 125. And Anderson Varejao for the Cavs. That's going to Greg. Jacob said he wanted this on the board, so we'll put it on the board. Kira Lewis, Bogdanovich, Smart, Davis, Little Wiseman, Jabari Parker, and Tim Hardaway Jr. 199 for the Mavs. Cassius Stanley, Durant, Silver Magic, Tilakina, Luka, Tyrese Maxey, Hughes, Powell, Bradley Beal, Kawhi Leonard, Bey, Azebukwe, Okogie, Harris, Ingram, Mays, Killian Hayes, we got CJ Ellaby for the Blazers, 299 on the red, and Josh Green for the Mavericks. Alabi, Bain, Monk, Jones, Russell, Tillman, Pritchard, Tilakina on the red, and a Dwight Howard for the Lakers. Orange Wave to 60. Anthony Davis, Saban Lee, Marquise Chris, that was backwards for some reason. And Saban Lee silver for the Pistons. Red Marcus Smart, number to 299. Kyrie on the throwback. And Flynn to end off the break in the case. Overall, solid case. Nice little break. Again, I'll be posting up 2 more of these tomorrow there, guys. Leave these up and then I'll do a little recap here. All right, Dwight Howard on the orange. Saban Lee silver, Kyrie, Kawhi, Hayes, CJ Ellaby, Josh Green, Maxey, Trae Young, Sadiq Bey, Verajao, Steph Curry, Richards, Isaac Okoro, Bukoveski, Avija Okoro silver, Tatum, Maxey silver, Bukoveski, Cole Anthony, Quickly, Gordon purple, Antetokounmpo, Lillard, Davis, blue, Jalen Smith, James Harden, Thon Maker, Avija, Obi Toppin, Tillman, silver, John Morant, silver, and making the board, Jacobs Okongo, you wanted on the board, James Wiseman, we had 1 LaMelo base, 1 Halliburton base with a ruby wave, and pretty sick here, red Anthony Edwards. Solid hit there for the Wolves. 192 and 299 on that one. That was the break there, guys. Appreciate it again.